In this case study, a specific composite layup activity needs to be completed. The factory management system needs to contact a worker to book the activity. His administration shell acts as his delegate, confirming he is qualified and has the time. It then adds a proposal activity to the worker's schedule. The execution plugins start the proposal activity and ask the human when he can do the activity. Execution decides to communicate this through the worker's tablet. The proposed start time is communicated back to the schedule plugins, and the proposal is sent back to the management system. The proposal is accepted, and the schedule plugins add the lab activity to the schedule. When the time comes to start the activity, the EPs responsible for the lab activity take over. The worker confirmed the activity can start. The execution plugins start managing the execution of the activity. The next execute update protocol cycle is started, with the execution plugins reading variables from execution, making decisions, and then requesting information be sent to the human through execution again. When the worker detects a process error, he presses the error button on his tablet to notify the execution plugins. The execution plugins then start the error resolution process, and the schedule plugins update his predicted end time until this error is resolved. This is all recorded as part of this activity instance. Every activity instance is unique and actively contributes to its execution plugin and scheduling plugins decisions. The finished activity is then written to the biography, where it is maintained and updated by the reflection plugins that continue to gather data on it post-execution. The analysis plugins update the activity model and the worker attributes.